All right, here we go. Oh, it finally calmed down.
It is. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. This is a gift. Beyond Pierre.
Pierre. Who is Pierre? You just need the missing teeth and beer, Budweiser beer can. This is a hillbilly. Louisiana cooking? I don't know. Oh, the wind's calming down. Ooh, boy, it was pouring good for a minute.
Yeah.
Look at that sky. I missed that.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, the mosquitoes are really going to like us now.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. We wet and sexy.
That's true.
This is how you do it.
Right?
This is how you do it. You got an umbrella sword.
Sword?
Wow. Hanging right over here. You see that sky right there? All I need is missing some goddamn teeth. I think I shot it.
What? Right? All that lightning and pouring as rain. The inner tube tried to fly away. Oh my goodness.